this video, I'm going to show you how to put ads on your video to earn from that. Okay, it's very important. When you get monetized, you have to put ads on your videos to earn from that. And we are earning from ads, not a video you are putting out there. So you have to get adverts on your videos. And not all adverts support any video, and I'm going to show you what it says. I'm going to show you all different kinds of things you can do with the ads. Okay, YouTube can, create an ad for you. You can create it yourself, and the advertisers can also choose not to put ads on your video. So all these I'm going to show you. But shout out to Louisa. Oh yeah, guys, check out Louisa. She gave me this inspiration. Guys, if you want me to shout out to you in a special way, when you come to the comment section, tell me, MK, do this for us, and when I do it, I'll shout out to you. Okay, so this inspiration is from Louisa, so I'm going to teach this. Just follow what I do. Thank you so much. So we are going on my phone, and I'll share the screen. This is not like I just captured it from my laptop because I was in a hurry and I needed to bring this. You getting the information is the most important. So there are several ways. It's either YouTube is doing it for you, it's either the advertisers don't like the video you are putting out there. YouTube will change it for you. It's not like they want. The fact that you are monetized and you are putting out something there, or you do it yourself. So I'll go through with you with this three, then you get to know how to go about it. So let's pause on. So guys, let's use this video. Okay, let me pick this video. I need extra watermelon. You see the monetization side is off. You see, just follow where the cursor is. Okay, when it's off, you put it on, as I did. Then you go to next. Okay, you go to next. When you click on next, this will appear. When it appears, you read through to check if the content you are putting out there doesn't go against YouTube guidelines. Okay, if it goes against it, you have to select that. But this content against, so I'll take none of the above. Okay, so you take none of the above. After that, you will see this appearing. Then you click on submit. Okay, submit, which will submit. Okay, so this is the video that we did that on, and you see this is the message discount that this video may earn limited no ads. Okay, because the adverts that I want to put on it, or YouTube want to put on it, their advert doesn't correspond to what you are doing or something. Okay, so that is what they sent on that advert. For that, you can choose the advert you want, or you leave it like that. If any comes and YouTube think it's okay for your video, they put it on it for you. So let's use this. You see, this is already on. So when it's on, you go to review replacement. That is where you are going to add ads. On this video, I've added ads already, but let me show you how I added the ads. Okay, so you click on where you want to add the ads. Okay, let's see. That one is the adverts that I put on. So let's put a new advert on it. So you go to ad break. That is, you click on where you want to put that advert. Okay, the where you want to put it. Then you go to ad breaks. Then when you click on ad breaks, you will see that this sign would appear, which means you've put advert on that side. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, all right, so when you put it on it, then you are okay with the adverts. Mostly don't put a lot on it so that people don't get bored. Okay, then you will see that your advert will appear. Then you click on save or continue. Okay, opportunity to put adverts. You don't get monetized and just be there. This is an opportunity to put an advert on your videos to earn from the advert. I've told you, it's not the video you are going to earn, It's the advert. If people are not watching the advert, what money are you getting from? So it's the advert. When people watch, the advertisers pay for YouTube to get their share, then you will get your own share as well. So I would advise, when you are watching a video and if you like MK's Arena, please, even if you don't like me, please watch the advert. That's the most important thing. So put advert on your videos and earn from that. I hope this has helped and is gonna help. So please don't forget, comment below what exactly you want me to bring up for you, because now I've become a researcher, always researching about YouTube and a whole lot. And if you do that, I'm going to shout out to you in a special way, in a very, very special way. Thank you all for subscribing, liking, and commenting MK's Arena. I've told you already that this my channel is going to boost your YouTube, everything about YouTube. So keep following me, keep giving me that inspiration, and I'm going to bring you a lot of tips that is very mind-blowing. Thank you all. I really love you, and until we meet again, I will say bye bye.
Touch, stay